Now we'll go on electric potential or electrostatic potential at a point due to an electrical dipole. Electric potential at a point due to an electric dipole. Suppose that this is an electrical dipole. Suppose that this is an electric dipole whose length is equal to 2L, whose center is O, and P is the point whose polar coordinates are r, comma theta. P is the point whose polar coordinates are r, comma theta. And this is the middle point of the electrical dipole, and a small l is the half length of the electrical dipole. So what is the potential due to minus q charge and what is the potential due to plus q charge? Both will be added and then we will get the electric potential at point P due to an electrical dipole. So normal is drawn here. If normal is drawn here, this is a small. Why? It is a smaller. It is a smaller. So this is a small. We can find out ON and it is subtracted from R. So we will get PN. We will get PN and PN is approximately equal to PT. We don't know what is the value of PV. We don't know we don't know for the expression of PV what is the distance PV, what is the distance PN. So for distance PV, what will happen? We draw a normal on the line OP, and this is this is ON, and it is subtracted. It is subtracted from a small r. OP is a small r. So we will get NP, which will be equal to BP, approximately equal to BP. NP will be approximately equal to BP. This is NP, which is approximately equal to BP. It is a smaller. Now what will happen? PN is produced and normal is drawn. So it is calculated. OM will be equal to ON. OM is calculated and OM is added to equal to OP. So we will get PM, which is equal to AP. Approximately equal to AP. And MP is approximately equal to AP. Now we will get the distance and the potential we will get, and after that both will be added, and after that we will get the potential at point P due to electrical dipole. Let the polar coordinates of the point P are r, comma theta. OP is equal to r. OP is equal to r. Normal on OP from the point D is drawn. Now PO is produced ahead. Now PO is produced ahead. Now PO is produced ahead. Normal M is drawn on Pm. On Pm. On Pm. Pm, OM and ON are smaller, are smaller, are smaller than the distance R. Cos theta, what is cos theta? Cos theta, triangle cos theta is equal to ON by OB is equal to OM divided by AO. That is cos theta is equal to ON divided by L is equal to OM divided by L. So OM is equal to N is equal to L cos. So what will happen? OM will be added to a smaller, we will get PM which is equal to AP. Which is equal to AP. Which is equal to AP. PM. PM. PM is equal to OP plus OM is equal to R plus L cos theta. AP approximately equal to PM is equal to R plus L cos theta. PN is equal to OP minus OM is equal to R minus L cos theta. And PV approximately equal to PN. PV approximately equal to PN is equal to R minus L cos theta. Potential at P due to minus Q charge. 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 V1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q divided by R plus L cos theta. Potential at P due to plus Q charge. Plus Q charge. V2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus L cos theta. Now what is the electric potential? Due to the electric dipole, both will be added to each other. Both will be added to each other. We will get the electric potential at the point P due to electric dipole. We will get the electric potential at P due to electric dipole. So potential at the electric dipole. Potential at the electric dipole. So potential at the point P due to the electric dipole. A is equal to V1 plus V2. That is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by R minus L cos theta minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught and 1 by R plus L cos theta. Minus Q by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r plus L cos theta. B is equal to V1 plus V2. B is equal to V1 plus V2 minus r plus L. B is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r minus L cos theta minus 1 by r plus L cos theta. Follow that? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is taken out. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is taken out. So what is the potential? So what is the potential at P? So E is equal to 1 Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. It is written as r plus L cos theta minus L cos theta divided by r minus L cos theta into r plus L cos theta is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus L cos theta minus r plus L cos theta divided by a minus b, a plus b, that is r square minus L square cos square. R cancel. B is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon and it is equal to 2L cos theta divided by r square minus L square cos square theta. L is the smallest. L is smaller, L square is smallest. Maximum value of cos theta is equal to 1. So L square cos square theta is very less than R square. So L square cos square theta may be neglected. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and P cos theta divided by R square. क्योंकि P बराबर Q into 2L. R square is very greater than L square cos square theta. So R square minus L square cos square theta approximately equal to R square. L square cos square theta. क्योंकि R square is very greater than L square cos square theta. इसलिए R square minus L square cos square theta approximately equal to R square. P is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and P cos theta divided by R square. Where P is equal to Q into 12. P is equal to Q into 12. Special cases. If the point is on the axial line, special cases. That is, point is situated on the axial line of the dipole and point is situated on the perpendicular bisector of the dipole. If the point is situated on the axial line of the dipole, theta will be equal to 0 degree. And if it is situated on the perpendicular bisector, theta will be pi by 2, that is 90 degree. 90 degree. Special cases. Point is situated on the axial line of the dipole. Theta is equal to 0 degree. Potential B is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught B by R square. Case second, point is situated on the perpendicular bisector. perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Then theta is equal to pi by 2. Potential V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P into cos 90 degree divided by